Wherever you are watching this right now, nasa ang lupalop man kayo ng mundo, anumang oras ngayon, welcome to my channel. My name is Christine, and this is my channel where I share tips, tricks about stocks, about finance, about insurance, about love, heartaches, and anything in life in general. And so for today, we will be discussing stock market essentials as part of my video series on how to open account. So ang di-discuss natin ngayon ay BDO Nomura. Okay, so if wala pa kayong account, wala pa kayong online broker account, you have a BDO account, yan halos lahat naman mayroong BDO, you should consider opening an account with BDO Nomura. All right, so let's get started. BDO Nomura / home or just simply search BDO Nomura on your browser. So dapat ito yung website na makikita ninyo na lalabas. BDO Nomura. But before we begin, reminders lang, dapat you have this already. Unang-una sa lahat, you should be a BDO bank account holder. So yun yung pinakaunang requirement. Next is you are registered for BDO online banking. Bakit? Dahil kung ano man yung username and password ninyo for your BDO online banking, yan din yung gagamitin natin for your BDO Nomura account. So you have those in mind. Sulat nyo na yan. And what is the minimum amount required para makapagsimula? It's zero. 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 So zero siya as long as you have a BDO account. Okay, so be sure na meron kayo nito. If wala, open an account with BDO or register for your online banking. All right, so let's get started. Create an account. So 5 steps and 5 minutes account opening. Click sign up. So pagka-sign up ninyo, ito yung lalabas. Pero wala pa kayong ayan. If wala pa kayong online banking account, nakalagay din dito. Yan, click here. But if you already have your BDO online banking username and password, you just input it in here and then click login. Since meron na akong BDO Nomura account, I'm just going to course you through ano yung mga requirements na hihingin sa inyo. This is also reflected. Makikita nyo rin naman ito in series of the next steps dito sa platform niya. Okay? So, yung kanina, you will be required to input your BDO online banking username and password. Yan. Log in and then submit the OTP. So, makaka-receive kayo ng OTP sa inyong cellphone and then just input the OTP provided and then proceed. Afterwards, step 2, yan. Just like I have read and fully understand yung instruction, consent, terms, and conditions. Then nominate a beneficiary account and then click next. So next, you will be required to complete an investor profile, investor suitability form, and enrollment validation. So ano-ano ba itong mga ito? So yung investor profile, it just wants to discuss kung saan ninyo kukunin yung funds, kung paano niyo gagamitin um, yung BDO Nomura account, and kung anong type of investor ba kayo. If you are an aggressive investor, if you are more on the conservative side, so yun. So i-input lahat yun dito. Then click next, and then afterwards, yan, review your investor profile and suitability assessment summary and submit when done. So if may gusto kayong i-adjust, hindi nyo pa siyang i-adjust. If wala na, just click submit. Okay? So afterwards, yan, ang bilis lang, di ba? Kasi ang bilis ng video na to. So, ayan, an email will be sent to your nominated email indicating your application approval. So, kung ano yung email ninyo na nakalink dun sa BDO online banking account ninyo, dun din marireceive itong and application approval for your BDO Nomura. So your customer code and your BDO Nomura settlement account number, lahat yon ay isasend doon sa email na yon. Alright? So remember to use BDO Online Banking Sign-in ID so when logging into your BDO Nomura. So again, kung anong ginagamit ninyong username and password for your BDO Online Banking, yun din yung gagamitin ninyo for your BDO Nomura. Ang bilis lang, di ba? So, 5 steps, 5. 5 steps and 5 minutes. So, napakabilis lang mag-open ng account with BDO Nomura. If you want to see kung anong itsura ng kanilang interface ng platform ng BDO Nomura, I'm going to include the link on the description box or mag-a-appear siya anywhere in here dito sa screen. If you are also considering opening an account with First Metro Securities, I also have that video which I will also be including on the description box or nandito lang din siya dito sa video na to. All right. So thank you for watching. If you find value in this, please do like, share, and comment. And I would really, really appreciate your feedback with regards to my videos. What can I improve on? Kung ano pa yung mga pwede nating pag-usapan? Kung ano pa yung mga videos that you want to see. All right. So yes. Have a good day. Live an awesome life. Life. Keep on venturing. Keep on exploring. Keep on daring, and keep breaking limits. See you soon, and bye bye.